Hi first class, Mr. Dunk here with our next Irish video. Let's see what Niamh and Oisín are up to today. We'll play the we'll play the video one time through, and we'll play it again a second time where I can do some translations for you, and we'll do the activities at the end to see how much you've picked up. Let's get started.
Bhí Niamh agus Oisín ag iomaint inné. Bhí cumann aige. Bhí slitter aice. Thóg an madra an slitter.
Woof, woof.
Thosaigh páistí ag Gaeilge.
Okay, let's play that one more time.
Bhí Niamh agus Oisín ag iomaint inné.
Bhí Niamh agus Oisín ag iomaint inné. So the first thing we need to know is V. When we say V, we're talking about something that has already happened. So Niamh and Oisín were hurling, that's ag iomaint, inné, yesterday. So Niamh and Oisín were hurling yesterday.
Bhí cumann aige.
Bhí cumann aige. So we have that V again, so it's something that's already happened. And the word aige means we're talking about the boy. This sentence is, he had a hurley or a hurling stick. Bhí cumann aige.
Bhí slitter aice.
Bhí slitter aice. Aige and aice, they do sound similar, so you have to listen really careful. Aice means we're talking about a girl. She had a slitter.
Thóg an madra an slitter.
Thóg an madra an slitter. The dog took the slitter. Or the dog picked up the slitter.
Woof, woof.
Thosaigh páistí ag Gaeilge.
Thosaigh na páistí ag Gaeilge. The children started laughing. Okay, let's see how we get on with the activities.
Bígí ag éisteacht. Bhí siad ag immert pelle.
Bhí siad ag immert pelle. Well, siad we haven't heard before. But we hear siad, it means we're talking about more than one person. They.
Zaus. Bhí si ag tumaint.
Bhí si ag timoint. She means it's about a girl. What is ag timoint? I don't think it's hurling.
Zaus. Bhí si ag dausa.
Bhí si ag dausa.
Zaus.
She was dancing.
Bhí sé ag snáv.
Bhí sé ag snáv. Which one is it?
Zaus.
He was swimming.
Bhí siad ag paintal.
Bhí siad ag paintal. Paintal. Ag paintal is painting.
Zaus.
It means they were doing it. Let's have a go at the second activity.
Bígí ag éisteacht. Bhí babóg aici.
Bhí babóg aici. Is it he or she that had the babóg, the doll? Let's listen again. Really listen closely this time.
Bhí babóg aici. Zaus. Bhí bád aici.
Bhí bád aici.
Zaus.
Do two more.
Bhí slitter aici. Zaus. Vi tar boige ikke. Raus.
We'll keep going until the boy has something.
Vi klokket ikke.
Clogged eggy. Is that he had or she had a helmet?
Raus.
He had a helmet.
Vi kaslan ikke.
Let's listen to that again.
Vi kaslan ikke.
The cashlon. Eggy or eki? Did he have or she have a castle?
Raus. Waar liv immort? Vi bochel bo ikke.
Okay, before I go, just a reminder that in your Buona Caitheamh books, I'd like you to have a go at reading the story on page 34. Use the video to help you with how to pronounce the words. And I'd like to see some really nice colouring too. Okay? Slán!
Slán go fúl.